Hello everybody. Hola, soy el profesor Helu de la National Chinan University en Huli, Taiwan. Welcome to our new class. Today we are going to learn to say things like the red car, that big table, or some tall children, but in Spanish. First thing you have to remember is that in English you say first the determiner, the, that, those, some, then the adjective, red, big, tall, and then the noun, car, table, child, children, cars. Okay, in Spanish the order is going to change. First we are going to say the determiner, determinante, then we are going to say the noun, nombre, and then the adjective, adjetivo. That's the first thing for today. We are changing the order. Okay, remember this is not a rule. What I mean is you may see in English and you may see in Spanish some text with the chain, with the order in a different way. Okay, you can do that maybe for poetry, maybe in a song, or just because the writer wants that. So it's not a rule, it's the usual way. How? The second thing is about matching things. In English you have something like the red car, but you also say the red cars. Nothing changed. The adjective and the determiner remains the same. But what happens when you say those big tables? You cannot say those big table today, because you have to match those and tables. So that concept in English is going to be all the time in Spanish. Let's see. These four are the equivalent for the word the in English. El, 一个男生, la, 一个女生, los, 很多男生, las, 很多女生. What do I mean when I say 男生, male, 女生, female? What I mean is things in Spanish are either 男生还是女生. Okay? That means that you have to match the determiner and the adjective to the word you are using. For example, car. In Spanish, car is coche, and cars, coches. We use the S as well as in English. Coche is 男生, is a masculine word. Then you have table, mesa, and tables, mesas. You know, the plural is similar to English. The grammar to make the plural is very similar to English. So, mesa is feminine, 女生. If I want to say the red car, I should say el, 因为是一个 coche, and then red, rojo. But we have 4 options for the adjective red. Rojo, roja, rojos, rojas. Why? Because sometimes we are talking about coche, 是男生. We are talking about coches, more than one. Or we are talking about mesa, 一个. Or mesas, more than one. So, depending on which one of them, we should use the corresponding word, adjective. Okay? So, let's see some examples. Here we have the, el, la, los, las. These, este, esta, estos, estas. Again, the order is 一个男生，一个女生，很多男生，很多女生。This means a but for women, for 女生。Some 很多男生 some 很多女生。Car, coche. Table, mesa. Child, niño. Children, niños. Rojo, roja, rojos, rojas. Grande means big. This case, you only have one word, 男生, 女生. That happens sometimes. Grande, grandes. Azul means blue. Okay, this one is special, and when an adjective or a noun ends with a consonant, to make the plural, we don't just add an S. We add also an E. So the plural of azul will be azules. That way we can say el coche rojo, los coches rojos, la mesa grande, las mesas grandes. Un niño azul. Unos niños azules. So, let's see again what we have seen today. First, the most important thing is the order in English is different from the order in Spanish. In English, you say the red car. In Spanish, we use first noun and then adjective. We would say the car red. First one. Second one is every noun in Spanish is going to be masculine or feminine. Okay, 男生, 女生, if you want. It's not really 男生, 女生, but anyway. For example, coche 是男生, mesa 是女生, niño 是男生. How? A trick to remember is that very often, if you don't know, the letter E and the letter O at the end of the word very often means the word is going to be 男生, masculine. And the letter A at the end of the word means that probably the word is going to be 女生, feminine. remember that that is not a rule. That is something to help you guess if you don't know. But some cases doesn't work. Do not work like that. Okay? So that's it for today. Thank you very much and see you soon.